In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Calendly fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser and go to the Calendly website by typing Calendly into your search engine. Once you see the link for Calendly, click on it to open the homepage. After landing on the Calendly homepage, look for the Create button. This is usually visible in a prominent spot on your dashboard. Clicking on Create will take you to where you can start setting up your meeting details. Here, you'll typically see options for different meeting types. For most standard meetings, you'll want to select the one-on-one meeting type. This is perfect if you're setting up a direct meeting with one other person. Once you've chosen one-on-one, it's time to personalize your meeting. You'll need to rename your event. Simply click on the default event name and type in a name that reflects the purpose or focus of your meeting. This helps you quickly identify it later on and makes it clear to the person you're inviting. Next, it's time to set the duration of your meeting. Click on Duration and choose how long you want the meeting to last. Calendly offers a range of durations, so pick one that fits your needs. Whether it's a quick catch-up or a longer strategy session, choose what works best. After that, it's time to set the location for your meeting. You can actually integrate with tools like Zoom or other meeting platforms, ensuring everything's ready for a virtual catch-up. Once your duration and location are set, the next step is to define your availability. Click on the Availability option, and Calendly will give you the flexibility to customize when you're free to meet. Take a moment to go through your usual schedule and mark the time slots you are available for meetings. This flexibility means your invitee can select a slot that works for both of you without the usual back-and-forth emails. After setting everything up, it's time to finalize your event. Click on the Create button to save everything. Congratulations, you've just created a meeting event. Now that your event is created, you can view the meeting card that Calendly generates for you. This card provides an overview of all the details you've just set. It's also where you'll find the link to share for the meeting. Simply copy the link from the meeting card and share it with the person or people you want to meet. They'll be able to select a time from the availability you've set, streamlining the entire scheduling process. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Calendly quickly and efficiently. I hope this guide helps make your meeting scheduling smoother. Thanks for watching.